Good morning, guys. Beautiful morning in the north of Gili Islands. Lisa's having a little dip. Already been out for a quick run. It's 8 o'clock in the morning, sun's very high. And we are at a interesting little place called Pondok Windy, the north of Gili Islands, for a couple of days. Weather's still phenomenal. Now this point behind me is known as Turtle Point, and it's apparently almost guaranteed that if you snorkel out here you're going to see a bunch of turtles. Wait till tide comes up a bit and go have a look if I can get Lisa out of the water. I was just remarking it's actually busier today than yesterday, but alone. Suddenly there's nobody around us. Just find a local room for some lunch. Now on this side of the island they're few and far between. It's mostly resorts and big restaurants. Not sure how lucky we're going to get. We actually found a place last night close to us, but we'll probably go there later or something else, yeah. Unless Lisa feels like pizza. Anyway, it's actually warming up nicely.
Oh, it's beautiful out here on the side of the island. You can just sit here and look at the sea all day long.
Gonna go for a snorkel after lunch. Hopefully see some turtles.
Yay, turtle hunting! Cool! Nice, found a local posse to eat today.
Well, we're still waiting to see how food looks like, but hey.
This one for you. Thank you. Perfect.
For lunch we got some what's called Nasi Campur. It's like a... What's the proper definition for it? Mixed grill. It's a little bit of everything. So normally you'll have obviously the rice. You have some form of vegetable. In this case it's like a green bean and cabbage. There's always an egg of some sort. Like this is a boiled egg. This is called tempeh. Now you get different versions of tempeh. This could be something crispy. Tofu. I told you tempeh is hot. And then there's chicken. Sometimes there's a little bit of beef, so it pretty much depends on what they got. But the problem is it's almost always hot.
Oh my god!
Right, Lisa, how's your tempeh, darling?
I ate like 2 tiny pieces of that with rice.
So here's a spoon for you.
I literally had that much little tempeh, and it is
blistering.
Ooh, so hot.
That's not a hot pot. There's a sambal here.
Oh my word!
That will take the skin off your lips and burn a hole through your throat. And that's if it's mild.
I don't think I'll be managing this one.
What?
So good.
The guy
beans are very good.
Did giggle a bit when you asked me if it was spicy.
At least he was honest. When we asked whether it was spicy, he laughed and he said, yes, I think so.
I think that I don't know. Let's try the egg. No, egg's not spicy.
Okay.
Was it a tempeh?
Can't eat the tempeh. I can feel that spice, the chili burning in my nose.
This is so hot. My eyeballs are sweating. Is that normal? Yeah. Just when you think you're sort of used to burning food, spicy food, every now and then you're brought back to earth with a thud.
Oh, but the egg is very nice.
Maybe if you mix everything up.
I think that's what you're supposed to do. Damn.
Good lunch. Hey, Lisa.
I might have to go find something else.
Ice cream. Alright, we're going for a snorkel with some busted fins, dodgy glass goggles. And we're going to go see if we can find some turtles. This area is known as Turtle Point. If you speak to the guys renting out the gear here, they say if you don't see a turtle, you don't have to pay for the equipment. Total mission successful in the pool. It was awesomely hot.
Oh my god!
Are you ready for supper, Lisa?
I'm always ready to eat.
Yeah, gosh, they really got away from us a bit, eh?
After doing such a long walk for lunch today.
And after snorkeling, we sort of seemed like just chilled out a little bit for the day. But now it's like after 5 o'clock. It's godly.
Oh, luckily we don't have to go very far for dinner tonight.
No, because we stay here. Yeah, and we're gonna
eat. Over here.
Yeah, it's a local warung here in the north of the island. It's called
Warung Java, actually.
Warung Java.
Not sure
Ironic,
why.
because it's not Java.
No.
Maybe they make good coffee. But anyway, point is, they got a nice selection of local food at reasonable prices for this part of Gili tea.
And it's always a good thing when the
locals
workers
actually,
who are living here actually come and eat here.
If you go for the really local stuff, which most tourists don't eat, like the Nasi Campur, then you can get it for as little as 25. Now the lunch we had today was
only
Nasi
15.
Campur was 15, just to give you an idea. But
That was extra burning.
But this lady makes amazing Nasi Campur, so she is a bit of extra. But we're gonna see what we can find here.
Cool. Let's go eat.
Let's go.